Wow, it's snowing outside.
There's lots of snow.
Why don't we go play outside?
Good idea.
Let's first play in the snow over here, and then let's play in the snow that's in the park. There's lots of snow in the park.
Yeah, we're first going to start off by playing around our apartment. Then we're going to go in our car and go to the park to play in the snow there because there's a lot of snow in that area. The snow is covering up the whole road.
So we're going to be wearing our snow gears to stay warm. Now we're at the park.
We have arrived. There's so much snow.
It's very tricky for me to walk in the snow. There's too much snow over here.
I know. It's way too much for anyone.
Also, some of the snow went into my gloves.
You should dust it off.
I'm trying to get it all out, but still from the inside. I'm going to be seeing how fast I can walk. Then I'm going to be seeing how fast I can run.
Looks like you fell.
Yeah,
You shouldn't run.
very fast in the snow, right?
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm going to be making it look like that I made it snow a bit.
It looks like you're making a snow angel. I'm going to try doing something like that. I'm going to throw the snow up. You're trying to make a hill, right? Like you
Yep,
did.
something like a hill.
I'm going to go to a different spot with cleaner snow.
I'm going to be making a
And now
snow
I'm
angel.
I'm also making a snow angel.
Make sure you do not kick my feet.
I'm only staying in my snow angel. I'm gonna continue making my snow angel. What are you doing? Are you taking a nap?
No. I'm getting up some snow. And then
I'm gonna climb up so I could try sliding down.
I'm also going to be doing that soon. As soon as I get there.
Whee! It's hard to slide down a hill. It's not very soft snow anyways.
Snowman.
Let's have a race. I'm winning!
We played in the park a lot. Now we're going to be going home.
It has been a lot of fun in the park. We had so much fun in the snow, and it's still snowing.
When do you think the snow will stop snowing?
I think it will stop tonight.
Yeah, me too.
The snow is again covering the roads even after the snow plow came and cleared the snow off the road.
I think that's because it was still snowing and it snowed a lot and the road got covered.
Yeah. So we're going to continue towards our home, and we're almost there.
videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more of my videos and give a thumbs up if you like my video. Bye!